like, share, and subscribe.
Get ready, wear comfortable cloth, use a yoga mat. Let's get started. Warm up exercise. Stay relaxed and warm up.
Next up, head side to side. Keep hands on the hip and move the head side to side. Next up, march in place. Swing the arms gently back and forth as you march in place. Breathe normally. Next up, cheerleader. Stretch both the hands above the head on the right hand side. Bring back to the original position and then stretch to the left hand side. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Next up, signal wave. Wave the hand in front of the face side by side. Alternate right and left hand in front. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds.
Let's start with main workout. Next up, jumping jacks. Stand on your toes. Do it for 25 to 30 seconds. For high intensity workout, do it for 60 seconds.
Next up, push-ups. Keep arms just wider than the shoulder. Keep body straight from head to heel. Lower your body till the arm reaches 90 degrees. Exhale as you push up. Do 10 to 15 reps.
Squats. Stand feet shoulder width apart. Ensure knees are behind the toes while you squat. Use the arms to counterbalance. Let's see in the side pose.
Next up, high knees. Stand on the toes, raise the knee as high as possible, ideally making a right angle with the upper body. Next up, side plank. Keep the arm at right angle at the elbow. Keep body straight from head to heel. Plank. Breathe normally. Alternate for the other hand. Ensure to keep the body straight from head to heel.
Let's move to cool down.
Next up, toe touch. Stretch the hands above the head, then bend the entire upper body and try to touch the toes. Do not bend the knees. Do not worry if you cannot touch the toe. Do it for 10 to 15 repetitions. Next up, hip hip hooray. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Stretch the arm completely in the third step above the head. Next up, welcome. Join the hands in front of the chest. Stretch outwards. Breathe normally. Do for 10 to 15 seconds. Next up, hip circles. Keep hands on the hip. Rotate the hip clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times.
That's all for the day. See you tomorrow.
Like, share and subscribe.